Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you two airdrops you should be farming. Yeah, so the first one is Ari Wallet. This is the Ari Wallet, and with this one, it doesn't come with any referral link, it comes with the code instead. So you have to go to the Play Store or your App Store, then you download their app. So once you download the app and you open the app, this is what you are going to see at first. So since you have no account, you are going to sign up. So you click on the sign up, then you check these two things here. You check them, then you click on next. So this is the page that you have to fill your information, so ID or email. So you have to put in your email. Then after that, you click on email verification, you click on it and you do the necessary verification. Then you enter your password. The requirements are here. So your password should be between 8 and 32 characters. Uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special symbols are required. So you do that, you confirm your password. And I'll be leaving my referral code down in the description of this video. So you make sure you pick that referral code and you put it here. So once you are done, you click on next, then you complete the final steps. It's not anything difficult. So let me log in and show you how the interface is like. Alright, so this is how the login page looks like. Once you log in, this is the first thing you're going to see. You're going to see daily check-in. So I've actually claimed my check-in for today. So you're going to see check-in, then you click on the check-in to claim your points. So once you claim your points, then you close it. Then you come down here to do the daily quiz. You get me? I've done that one too. So once you click on it, they are going to ask you a question, then you provide the right answer. Once you provide the right answer, they are going to give you your points. It will be added to your main Ari points. So just in case you don't know how to go about the quiz and stuff, the best thing you can do is to check Twitter. They are going to be posting a lot of people do post the answers to the quizzes there. So you just search for Ari Wallet quiz, then you are going to get people posting the answers there. Or better still, I'll be leaving my community link, WhatsApp community link, in the description of this video so that you can join and be getting the answers to these things. So that's for Ari chain. And okay, so the next airdrop is CPEN. So I'll be leaving the link down in the description of the video so that you can sign up and download the app as well. So this airdrop has been in the system for some time now, and we are actually down mining the phase that was mining of the pen. So right now we are mining ink, and per their roadmap it says they are going to switch to mainnet during 2026. So you still have time, you are still early to mine the ink. So that's it. You can just get the link, sign up, then you start mining the ink, because 2026 you still have enough time to participate in this airdrop. And the signing up for this whole thing is very normal, just like any other any other mining. You just get your email, then your password, and you are good to go to sign up. And you have to be enabling the miner here, I think every 24 hours. Yes, so you just click on it, then it's going to view a short ad, then you come back, you claim your points, and it's going to mine for you. So that's that. And you have to be keeping up to the streak so that you get some rewards too. So you don't have to be missing, claim today, you wait tomorrow, you are not going to do, then the following day you come and do. Now you're going to miss out on some rewards. So just keep up with the streaks and you are good to go. So that's that for this airdrop too.